Hello, dear viewers and victorious creators of my channel. Здрасте, дорогие мои русскоговорящие подписчики и гости моего канала. С наступающей вас весной! И, конечно же, с наступающим женским днем 8 марта. Эти цветы для вас, все мои подписчицы. Пожалуйста, посмотрите рецепт салатика, который называется тюльпан, в описаниях под моим видео. И приготовьте для вашего весеннего стола. Надеюсь, вам понравится. Let's celebrate the springtime. Finally, it has arrived. Actually, in California, it's summertime because we have almost 90 degrees and it's still February. See these daffodils? One of my favorite springtime flowers. These are for you to enjoy watching it and for me to enjoy smelling. Pretty soon I have to show you the 2 salad recipes that I prepared for your springtime or Easter time table. The tulip salad that you will see on my Christmas table has different ingredients than the one that I'm going to show you now. You have to decide which one you prefer more. This one is called a bouquet of tulips and this one is salad olivier. The regular one became a sheep and I used potatoes and olives to decorate it, and the imaginable fur is the eggs white. I just ground it and used it as the sheep's fur. And this one is a crab salad. I used crab sticks, cherry tomatoes, but in different colors. And I used also dill, mayonnaise, Gouda cheese, and green onions to decorate. They are very easy to make. You have to find cherry tomatoes. This one I got from Costco, but last year for Christmas I got from Trader Joe's and they had like oval shape, and these ones are more round. Find different colored cherry tomatoes. Then you will need mayonnaise mixed with sour cream. You will need 1 carrot, medium to large size, some grilled chicken thighs because thighs are tastier. Well, I'm going to take a couple of this cheese. You will need cilantro or parsley leaves. First I'm going to cut the cheese, the chicken, and grate the carrot. The process of cutting and grating is done. Washing of tomatoes is also finished. We're gonna mix all the ingredients. By the way, you have to cut the ingredients into very, very small pieces, or you may even blend them. See how small are the pieces? By the way, I used 4 slices of the cheese. We can cut the cilantro inside. You may add some salt and pepper if you want. Because mayonnaise is already salty, I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. I decided to add my favorite dried basil. I cannot go anywhere without this basil. I'm like an Italian, though never been in Italy. Well, I think I won't add the cilantro. It will stay as a decoration. Well, now adding of the mayonnaise and sour cream mixed together. Maybe 4 teaspoonfuls is enough. Blending of the ingredients will make your job easier because we have to put the mix into the cherry tomatoes. It's better to have everything blended. But if you want to feel each ingredient's taste in your mouth, then cut into small pieces. Now I'm going to cut the tomatoes. This is the tomato where you leave the bottom untouched, just cutting from the top like an X sign. 1, 2, and placing here. So we're taking the inside of the tomato with a very small spoon. Shouldn't use my hands in this way. As you can see, I emptied the inside of the tomato. The middle part is difficult to remove, but you can do it with the sharper end of the teaspoon. Emptying the other one. If you try hard, you may just ruin your tulip. This is the green one. We just open this part, put the filling inside, and try to close it from all the sides. Just take out the extra ones, either with fingers or with a spoon is better. Make it look as natural as possible. You may clean it with paper towel if you want to get a kind of prettier look. And now we're closing it. You may press it a little bit and it will get the shape that you want. Round one became like oval shape. You can see how I am forming it. And little by little you'll get the whole bouquet of flowers. Do they look like flowers to you? Not that much. Besides the flowers, you will need also some green onion leaves as stems of the flower and also a bow made from another onion. Let me tell you the amount of your ingredients. I have chosen 20 tomatoes, but 4 slices of the yellow American Kraft brand cheese, 1 carrot grated, a little bit basil, and 2 middle-sized grilled chicken thighs. You will get a bouquet that will look like the one for my Christmas table. Happy Easter, everyone! Hope you like my today's recipe and hope you like daffodils as much as I do. They smell so great. Please subscribe and put your thumbs up in case you like it, and the second recipe will be coming up. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.